Have you ever wondered what's behind the symbols and logos that surround us? What meaning do they hide? What stories do they tell us? On this channel, we invite you to discover the stories behind the symbols and logos that surround us. From the most famous to the most unknown, we will tell you the story of how they were created, what they mean, and why they are so important in our culture. So don't miss this opportunity to discover the stories behind symbols and logos. Subscribe to receive notifications of new videos. We are excited to share these stories with you. The origin of the Williams Formula One logo. What does the star logo mean?
The sleek blue and white colors whip around the corners. The hum of high-speed vehicles fills the air. And whether you are a die-hard fan or a casual observer, there is a certain charm in the Williams Formula One team that is hard to ignore. But behind every victorious moment on the track lies a symbol that stands for something much deeper: the Williams Formula One star logo. At first glance, the logo is a captivating, stylized W that not only represents the team's name, but also features a prominent star. This star, though it might seem like an artistic touch, goes far deeper into the history and values of the team. Williams Racing, founded by Sir Frank Williams and Patrick Head in 1977, holds a significant place in the hearts of motorsport enthusiasts. Frank Williams and his team have had a dramatic impact on the fabric of Formula One racing, and as the team evolved over the decades, so did its brand. The star in the Williams logo signifies aspirations, dreams, and a guiding light, reflecting Frank Williams' vision. The star also symbolizes Williams' commitment to family, unity, and overcoming challenges. Frank himself faced life with tenacity and resilience, whether in personal life or on the racing circuit. The hardship of sustaining a viable racing team was mirrored in the star. As the years passed, the design of the logo morphed, modernized, and adapted. In different iterations, it's simple, clean, yet powerful. This is not simply an identity mark, but a testament to the fairness, speed, precision, and out-of-the-box thinking of the team. Beyond the competitive symbolism, the star acts as a badge of honor, a silent nod to those who contributed to the success of the Williams team. Engineers, drivers, mechanics, and strategic masterminds have all played a part in shaping the legacy the logo represents today. It serves as a reminder that Formula One racing is not just about speed, but also about teamwork, innovation, and an unwavering pursuit of greatness. In essence, the Williams Formula One logo, with its striking star, speaks to more than just victories on the track. It stands as an emblem of ambition, a beacon guiding a storied team through challenges and triumph. For fans and team members alike, it's not just a logo. It's a legacy, representing everything Williams Racing has achieved and continues to strive for in motorsport.